Alright, so I'm not about to beat around the bush. I'm gonna give y'all what y'all came here to see, okay? Obviously I'm wearing this is my wig and this is I'm wearing that because, I mean, obviously, to hide what y'all been wanting to see for, I don't know, it seems like weeks now, months. I think it's been a whole month since I've actually posted a whole YouTube video about my head and stuff. But here y'all go. Y'all ready? Everyone, y'all look straight at me. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready to see? Okay. Okay, man. Y'all cannot be mad at me, alright? Here is me bald. April Fools, you know what I mean? That's a big old April Fool's joke. Got him! Yeah, I mean, I got a lot of y'all. Y'all can't be mad at me, man. Hopefully y'all appreciate me and still love me and everything. But yeah, y'all know Julian Barboza is a troll, man. He's a troll. I'm just so happy I get this off my chest. I had bigger plans, but you know, so many things came up. We're gonna get a bald cap for y'all. Plans didn't go as expected, but yo, be expecting more videos soon now that I can show my head, show my hair and all of that. One more time for y'all. Me bald, look, right here. Screenshot that, do whatever you want, make memes, edits, do whatever you want with that, okay? This was a April Fool's that had been planned out for over 8 months, okay? I know it's crazy. And it didn't even come on April Fool's. I'm sorry guys, but I was looking for this picture forever. Y'all don't understand. Days looking for that picture, man. And look, here's another one of me. Let me see, focus. That's me in the back, bald, y'all feel me? The reason why I could not get this video out on time was because I needed to find the picture. I didn't, it's not clickbait. Y'all got a picture of me bald. I was bald, okay, y'all see? Okay, but what I'm gonna do is I'm putting the video y'all are seeing now, and then I think this weekend, the weekend that y'all are seeing this video, I'm gonna put like the process of me getting my hair actually done, okay? Let me know right now in the comments if you like it, and bye. There we go. How are we looking? How do y'all like it? How do y'all like the new hair? No, I don't want any comments saying, did you do your hair like this because of this wig? No, that's not why I did it. To give you an honest answer on why I did this to my hair, it comes down to 3 basic things, right? So first, y'all saw in my last video. If y'all haven't yet, make sure y'all go click on that video and watch it. But I absolutely hate my hair. I hate doing it in the morning. It takes forever. Literally, I have to put it up. I have to put product. I have to make sure it's straight, make sure, it's just such a hassle, and I didn't want to deal with that anymore. I didn't want to at all. But like, what could I was thinking like, what could I do so that I don't have to deal with that anymore? That's the first thing, okay? The second thing, since there's been so much change in my life, like everything, you know, everything, there's so much change, might as well change one of the biggest things a part of me, and obviously that's my hair. That's something everyone's gonna look at here. That's something everyone's gonna look at. I mean, might as well change it. And then the third thing is just like a combination of everything, you know. If I wake up in the morning, I don't have to do my hair. I just wake up, do that, and boom, I go to school. That's it. I don't want people to follow me or watch me just because of my looks, you know what I mean? I want people to follow me for me and for like how I am as a person, not because of my looks. I didn't know how this was gonna look at all. Hopefully, I mean, y'all do like it. If y'all do, you know, thank you. I did go bald on the sides, all right? So technically, I did go bald. Y'all can't be mad at me. But I really appreciate everyone who stuck with me. Even though I couldn't show my face for a good month, I would get tired of Julian Barboza and I would unfollow him too. I've lost like 1,000 followers in the last month or something. But it's short. We're gonna get them back, man. If y'all haven't yet, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram on the screen right now. Bye! Yeah, make sure y'all follow me. If y'all want to shout out on the YouTube video, starting this right now, all right? All you have to do is subscribe, turn on the bell, screenshot it right now, screenshot, and DM it to me on Instagram. Right? It's gonna be on the screen right here. I'm gonna show you a little video right now. Everyone watch. Do that. Screenshot, send it to me, and I'll shout you on the video. Next video, we're gonna be doing the shout out, starting today from this video on, all right? And that brings me to another point, okay? From this, oh, y'all wanna peep the fit real quick? From this video on, everything is changing, right? My goal is to put out 3 videos a week. That's my goal. But yeah, back to my hair, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I really want y'all to comment and let me know what y'all think, all right? If this is a video, I need y'all to comment. What do y'all think about my hair, okay? And you know, I've heard, here, I'm giving y'all a full 360, everything, you know what I mean? I've heard a lot, you know, I heard a lot of stuff about my hair. It's a big thing, you know what I mean? It got lighter too. I think all the chemicals and all that stuff, I think it made my hair lighter. Oops, you know, I think it's still cute. Damn, back up, nigga, you ugly. My hair, guys, I don't know if y'all like it. I love it. I ain't gotta worry about doing any extra stuff to my hair. Dude, why is this so white, bro? Focus. Okay, also too, I'm gonna go wet my hair real quick just to show y'all how it looks while it's wet. I need to buy product for my hair because I want my curls, you know, everything to look more shiny and look more. My hair's gonna be looking like this, it needs to look cute, you feel me? But yeah, I think it looks better when it's wet. I'm gonna go wet that right now. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, look. Y'all can't even see, bro. How we looking, bro? It looks, when it's wet, I like doing that, man. When it's wet, it looks like ramen noodles, you feel me? Ramen noodles. Y'all not getting good lighting, bro. A little bit better, but yeah. Yes, sir. I'm doing too much. But yeah, let me get my clothes back on. Now it's wet, it's a little darker and whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry I took forever to come out with this YouTube video. This is my hair, man. It's a big thing. That's something everybody looks at, and it's like, I don't know. It's just, let me know how y'all feel about it. If you're watching this, make sure you like and subscribe. I need to know y'all really want videos from me. You know, if you want to help me, make sure y'all give me to 2,500 subscribers. If you know, if it takes a whole year to get there, then no video till we hit 2,500. I'm telling y'all right now. So make sure y'all get some friends to subscribe. But yeah, guys, my goal is 3 videos a week. Sorry for the clickbait about me going bald. Also too, man, I know this video didn't come out on time. I wanted it to come out on April 1st to give y'all a full April Fool's experience. This picture, guys, I didn't find this picture till April 2nd, so you know, I couldn't, just be proud of me, please. That, you know, bro, all right, I tried to do everything in my power to find this picture and to make this video not be clickbait. Okay, also fast forward to today. Present day is April 4th, April 3rd, somewhere around there. I don't have my phone. I'll be releasing another video about the hair, the whole process of me doing, okay? So a little rundown of how this went. Y'all seen the other video, but basically I got one perm and that was to make my hair wavy because my hair was too straight, as y'all see in the next video. And then I had to get a second perm 2 weeks later. But I didn't record that because, you know, it was too much, you know what I mean? I was like, trying to hide my hair for a whole month. But yeah, this is how it looks now. Y'all see, you know what I mean? Hopefully y'all like my hair. If y'all don't, I'm sorry.